This is the roof of Dreamboat, my 1977 Airstream Argosy 20-foot motorhome. Today he is getting a RecPro Houghton air conditioner. I'm pretty excited about this. So we're going to use the air conditioning here as a roof patch sort of situation. We aren't going to wire it up. You can see that we are taking off his shroud that had already been cracked. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check out our AC install while we're mooch ducking. You can see that they had these steel rusted hex. Maybe you can't see, I can't tell. Underneath all this sealant. My plan is to clean it all off and remove them. So the previous owners have taken a grinder to this skin. You can see it. They must have been knocking the heads off of the old rivets. I think at this point we know he's not going to be perfect, and I know it's supposed to rain this afternoon. So I want to get rivets in where all the screws have been, and then remount the air conditioner. And I will deal with the rest of the sealant and stuff, probably with a paint stripper or in some other way. I think for now, because it's supposed to rain this afternoon, I want to get the hole covered and these filled. Ooh, sorry, Andrew. Seems like that's as much as you'll comfortably reach, and then we'll change positions.
Yep, agreed. Start on that first, because can you finger scrub the debris out of these ones? be nice to have a drone to check my work.
No one said you can't have a drone, honey. If you feel like you can afford one.
I'd like to check the ceiling in like a week, and if I could just fly a drone up here, it'd be so much. I promise I won't drown it in a lake.
Don't make promises that you can't keep. What about power?
Yes, there's no power wires here.
Okay.
These are not the power wires you were looking for. We've got aluminum framing in here that we found when we took apart the vent that had been placed on here. We believe it originally had an air conditioner that was removed. That's given us this line here. We've filled those holes, we're going to seal them. Then we're going to get the AC put on this hole. Check the size, it's going to fit. We just have to give ourselves a good surface to put the sealant on, and then we can bolt it down. The main structure here is so that we bolt the AC down, it doesn't crush the roof. All right, the AC is on, and I've slowly and carefully tightened all 4 bolts on the inside. What I'm looking for here is a nice even bead of the sealant just starting to come out, and that tells me is it's evenly tight and I've got sealant all the way around where I need it. Got perfect weather conditions. We finished tightening down the AC about 10 minutes ago, and it's starting to pour. So we'll know if it leaks pretty soon.